Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple sourdough bread that's perfect for sandwich or toast. Let's get started. Here, what you'll need 360 grams of bread flour, a cup of water, a cup of active sourdough starter, and a teaspoon of salt. We are using a cast iron loaf pan to get a perfect shape. First, combine your bread flour, water, sourdough starter, and salt in a mixing bowl. Stir until everything comes together into a rough dough. Cover and let it rest for 1 hour. Then do 4 simple stretch and fold every 10 minutes. This helps build strength in the dough and give your bread that lovely texture. Now cover the dough and let it rise for about 3 to 4 hours, and it should double in size. Shape it into a loaf, place it in the cast iron pan, and let it rise above the edge of the pan. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and once the dough has risen a bit more, bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. When the top turns golden brown, the loaf should be soft hollow when you tap to it. Once baked, let the bread cool down in the pan for 10 minutes and transfer to the rack to cool completely before slicing. This helps the bread set and give you a perfect slice. To store your bread, keep it fresh in the refrigerator for a couple days. For longer storage, you can pop in the freezer, and that way you can enjoy fresh toast anytime. And there you have it, a simple sourdough bread that's perfect for everyday use. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.